In here with gardening. It's March 9th, and we're going to start this out with a little bit of my Azure order. We just picked it up 8 o'clock this morning. Kind of got thrown off from the truck problems, but we got us some pears, and you can see these are some beautiful pears. We got us 20 pounds of those. We really like that variety. And we got us 5 pounds of pumpkin seeds. But what I was really wanting was my daikon radish seeds. Now, I can't find daikon radish seeds here local, and just happens Azure's got some. And what we're going to do is we're going to go out and plant these in the garden. Okay, we got our few little seeds, and we're going to put them in here. And we got a little space here at the end of the row where our peas are coming up. And we're just going to kind of put these in here, space them out. Well, we're going to try to space them out. And we're going to leave a lot of these in here. Well, I say a lot. We'll leave a few to go to seed, and that way we'll have plenty of seeds the next time, being we can't find any seeds locally. But anyone that's not familiar with the daikon radish, it's kind of it's more of a tillage radish. I can buy these seeds locally for a pretty cheap price per pound, but I got to buy 50 pounds, and 50 pounds of radish seeds, even for me, that's a lot of seeds. So we're going to muddle through and use this pack. And we're just going to cover these over a little bit, water them in. In a few weeks we'll have these. But like I say, they was a tillage radish. What they are is they use them to bring nutrients up from hard and to loosen hard packed soils, which they work good for that. But they are nice sweet radish. Normally not hot like some of the others. So if you like that radish flavor without so much heat, this would be one to use. Now what we're going to do, while we're here, we're going to go ahead and look at the potatoes and see how they're doing. Okay, we're out here in the potato patch. Looks like our red ones has popped up pretty good. They were sprouting heavier. Our Yukon Golds are coming up. Now we never did water this, so it did go through a little dry spell, which took a little bit more for them to come out of the ground. We do have some spots here where we hadn't got any germination yet. Hopefully everything's all right with them. But if they aren't, I'm sure we'll have plenty of potatoes. But that's the way it's looking. Not quite time to come in here and heal them. We'll let them get a little bit bigger and then come in here and heal it, unless there's some cold spell that comes up, but it doesn't look like there's anything going to happen. But anyway, that's where we're at. And I just want to mention one more time that if you're interested in purchasing through Azure, there's a link down in the description. Just go below the video and hit more, and it'll bring that link up. And if you use that link in there, if you do purchase so much within a certain amount of time, they will credit me a little bit to my account. And that does help. And what really helps is if you take the time, just look over there underneath that video to the left and hit that like button. Enjoy that gardening experience.